9 minus 3 times 6 minus 36. 9 minus 3 is just 6. So we have 6 minus 6 minus, 6 times 6 minus 36. No, 6 times 6 is just 36. And 36 minus 36, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here in this expression, we have 2 subtractions and 1 multiplication. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So first we have to do this multiplication, not this subtraction. Okay? So first this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. Okay? Three times 6 gives us 18. So we have 9 minus 18 minus 36. Now we have 2 subtractions. And as we know, when we have more than one subtraction in one expression, we have to work from left to right. So first this subtraction, 9 minus 18, which equals negative 9. So negative 9 minus 36, which equals negative 45. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just negative 45. The correct answer is negative 45.